Up high. Exhale, step it forward. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, release. Inhale, downward facing dog, you got this. Stay for the exhale, nice. Inhale in again here. And exhale, stay. Beautiful. Reach the arms up. Exhale, float them down. Downward facing dog. 1. Exhale, float them down. Step it back, inhale, downward facing dog. Exhale. Inhale, lift the left leg. One more time, just a few less cues, moving with your breath. Here we go. Inhale, right leg up high. Exhale to the lunge. Inhale, arms reach.